I'm in the middle of designing my real looking ghost. Look, so cool. Today I thought, maybe we can create something easier, something not special, because I had to buy some special supplies for this ghost, so maybe we can save this one for the future. But today I was thinking to create a super easy ghost craft, and the best part is, most likely you have everything at home. So let me show you what we need. Let's go! For this craft, we will need black cardstock paper. If you don't have a black cardstock paper, feel free to paint white paper black. Next, we will need white acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a palette or a piece of paper where you can pour your paint, markers. These are acrylic markers. You can also use permanent marker, glue, water to wash our paintbrush, Ziploc or any plastic sheet that you can use. And lastly, before you start this craft, go for a walk in your neighborhood and collect a few leaves. Doesn't matter the color, preferably if we want different sizes, because we are going to create ghosts using these leaves. As always, remember to protect your working space and place your plastic on top of your table. And before we begin, if your leaf has the stem, feel free to cut it. And just organize it on your plastic. This craft is perfect for any age, for young toddlers, even adults. Perfect. Let's open up your paint. Get your paintbrush ready, and let's start. Now we need to wait for our leaves to dry. While we wait for our paint to dry, maybe I can share with you a pro tip. When we pick up leaves from the ground, they are nice and fresh, but then they start to dry up and they curl, and all of these curl in. So what I did, I actually picked up the leaves yesterday, and then this is what I did. Let me show you. Pick a book. Any book. Open anywhere you like. Get a paper towel or a napkin and place your leaves just like this. If you want, you can maybe put one more paper towel on top. Carefully close the book, and now put some weight on it. Weight, I mean more books. And then let it be overnight, and the next morning the leaves should be good to paint. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this little leaf is ready to be transformed into cute looking ghost. I cannot wait to show you the way you can draw a ghost face, but you know, there is no right or wrong way. You can do it any way you like. Oh, and one thing, if you did paint your leaves fresh, that means that you didn't press the leaves the same way I did. That's okay. Take this as a practice, and maybe today or tomorrow or over the weekend you can go to your neighborhood, collect more leaves, press the leaves the same way I did, and then do this craft again, because it's super duper easy and it's fun. And remember, practice makes improvements. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Let's open up your marker. Any marker, permanent marker, acrylic marker. And you know, I am a big fan of a sleepy eye, so let me show you. Just draw a letter U, like this. And one more letter U on the right side. Now, my ghost is actually singing. Maybe some Halloween song. So right between those eyes, draw an oval shape or a letter O. And then color it in. The thinner the marker, the better. Or maybe you can find a big leaf and you can do it that way. And if you like, maybe you can add some eyelashes. I'm just going to do 3 straight lines down. I'm also a big fan of cheeks. So get a pink one or a red one, red marker. Just draw a little circle right underneath those eyes. Ghost number 1 is done. We are ready to see if more little ghosts are ready. But look how cute! See, this little leaf is starting to curl a little bit, but hopefully it's all good. And now I'm going to make the same face as I did on this little one, but if you like, you can change the face. So let's write a letter U. Letter U on the other side. Let's draw a letter O in the middle. Paint the mouth black. And if you want, eyelashes, cheeks. Okay, let's keep going. Maybe this is going to be the papa or mama. Again, remember letter U, letter O, and just color it in. You want to be gentle because this is not a paper, it is a leaf. So just remember to be gentle. And grown-ups, if you have a little munchkin with you who loves to paint, definitely try this craft with them. And then you can finish the face. And you know what? I think I like the idea that all of these have the same eye design. So they're singing. And actually this idea was inspired by my friend, and I will tag her account in the description below. If you want, you can prep this craft. If you don't want to prep this craft, that's okay. And then I have a little baby one. Look how tiny. For this one, I will skip the eyelashes because I don't want to mess it up. Ta-da! Look how cute. Now let's find your black paper, place it on your table, and we are going to apply some glue on the back of our ghosts. So be careful, because if your leaves are dry, they might break. If your leaves are fresh, good for you. And you know what I was actually thinking? That maybe you can try to press your leaves afterwards. If you do, let me know how that goes. And this guy is going to go right in the center. And again, my ghosts are singing some Halloween song. Or maybe they are yawning all at the same time, you never know. Just have fun with it. Feel free to draw different expressions if you want. If you want, you can maybe use a paintbrush or craft stick to spread the glue. I don't have either, so you don't want to use a really good paintbrush. You want to use maybe some old paintbrush you don't really need, because glue can damage your paintbrush. 2 more. If you like, you can frame this picture or maybe use it as a decoration for a Halloween or give it to someone. Look how cute! I just cannot get over this little cuteness. They're not spooky, they are super cute and adorable. And remember, you can always create this craft over and over again with your family and friends. And if you are having a family gathering on a Halloween night, this is super easy, and again, no special supplies needed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao!